In this video I am going to tell you how to fix Stremio freezing problem in your PC. So first of all you need to clear cache on Stremio app. So open simply Stremio app. After that you need to go to the settings option. Just go to the settings option. You can see here in my Stremio setting option is showing, and after that you need to scroll down a bit and you will find you can see clear local storage. You just need to tap on this and clear local storage in your Stremio. So the next step is to open Taskbar, and then you need to go to, I hope you know how to open Taskbar. Just right click here and open this task manager. Simply you need to just select this Stremio in processes and click on end task. Also make sure that if you are not using, you can see another Stremio freedom is showing here. Just select this as well and task this as well. You can see suspended, so just delete this and task this. Also delete some other programs which you are not using, because so many apps and background performances or so many other backgrounds have unnecessary apps cause this issue. So if you are not using any unnecessary apps in your background, just you select them and click on end task. So the next step is manually delete the Stremio cache on your PC. For this you need to press Windows and R, open this run command, and herein you need to type %appdata % and click on enter. After that this window will open up wherein you can look for Stremio. This is the Stremio folder. Just open this folder and you can see this stremio-server folder is showing. Just open this and select everything here, right click and delete everything here. Click on delete. So it is deleted now. The next step is to open Stremio as administrator. Go to Windows, open Stremio. So right click here and click on this run as administrator option. So the next step is to turn on hardware accelerated decoding in your Stremio. Go to Stremio app again and go to the settings option, and now you need to go to the advanced option. Just scroll down a bit. You can see advanced is showing. You can see hardware accelerated decoding is showing here. Just need to turn on this option and that's it. Also uninstall unnecessary add-ons. So there's an option, you can see left hand panel add-ons. Just go there, click on my add-ons, and herein you can uninstall unnecessary add-ons which you are not using. You can simply click on this uninstall option in front of those add-ons which you are not using. So make sure to uninstall unnecessary or unused add-ons from your Stremio app. After that you can, if nothing works, you can simply uninstall this and you can go to the control panel and you can uninstall Stremio app and reinstall it once again. Click on uninstall a program. Herein you can select this Stremio app here, click on uninstall this. I hope you know how to uninstall it. After that go to google.com and click on download Stremio. Go to the main stremio.com website, official website of the Stremio, and download it from the official website of Stremio only. So this is the Stremio's official website, stremio.com, and you can download it according to your system requirement. And after that restart your PC and check whether it is freezing or not. If you face any problem, you can mention in the comment section and make sure to give a reply. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.